everyone, Darren from Raider Express and the Fort Worth CDL School. We're going to do a video today, just a quick one for you, on a slow cooker recipe. It's one of the recipes out of the express cooking that we have on the website for our drivers. It's going to be nice and easy and simple. So we're going to start off with the basic crock pot here. We have a slow cooker bag. We're going to put us a couple pieces of the frozen chicken. You can use a breast, you can use thighs, just about anything you want. It'll all work just the same. Once you do that, we're going to put a little bit of seasoning in. Just a little bit of garlic salt. We'll use a little bit of salt and pepper. A little bit of basil to keep it a little sweet. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to put a couple of cans of cream of chicken soup. This will make it a nice broth. It makes it a really good sauce for it. You don't have to do anything with it. Just put it right out of the can. You can use store brand. You can use Campbell's. If you want to cut down on sodium, you can use a low sodium one. You could use Mrs. Dash instead of salt if you want to. This is a pretty good, pretty easy place to do this. After we get done here, I'll show you exactly how to plate it up. A little bit of peas. You want to use a can of the sliced potatoes. That way you don't have to mess with anything. We're going to put our top on. I have the crock pot that has the locking top, so you can not worry about it spilling underneath. We'll take this, we'll place it down underneath the bunk. Turn it on. If you use it on medium for about 2.5 hours, you'll have a meal. You can drive longer, it'll just be better. And there you have it. Nice, plated up, ready to go. Chicken with rice. It's got the potatoes on it. It's got the peas. I put bread with it. The rice is just a microwaved minute rice you can buy anywhere, any store, Walmart, Kroger. Microwave it for 60 seconds, put it on your plate. There you have it. Hope you enjoy it.